Hello, and welcome back to The Right Way with Josette Hall. In this segment, we will discuss identifying errors in sentences. This is part 4. Read the sentence below. Identify the errors and rewrite the sentence correctly. There are 2 errors in this sentence. The incorrect sentence reads, if the recipe is followed correctly, semicolon, the cake was delicious. The first error, of course, is the semicolon. A semicolon is not needed here. Instead, a comma is needed. A comma is needed to separate a dependent clause from an independent clause. The second error has to do with verb tense. In the beginning, you're talking about if the recipe is followed correctly, then the cake will be delicious. So this is an error with parallelism. The correct sentence should read, if the recipe is followed correctly, comma, the cake will be delicious. What about this sentence? What are the errors? And rewrite the sentence. Did you spot the errors? There are several in this statement. In conclusion, you should have a comma following conclusion. There is the wrong there. It should be T-H-E-R-E. And again, the wrong to, it should be T-O-O. And it is a statement, not a question. Therefore, the question mark is not needed. The correct sentence should read, in conclusion, comma, there are too many errors in the report. Take a look at this last one. How would you rewrite this one correctly? Did you identify the errors? There are 2 in this sentence. Many people is plural. Therefore, instead of has, the word have should be used, H-A-V-E. And the comma behind unavailable is considered a comma's place, so it is not needed. Whenever a comma is placed where it is not needed, this is an error called comma's place. Therefore, the correct sentence should read, many people have become emotionally unavailable for various reasons. I appreciate you. Thank you for joining me. Again, please do not forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.